Gratitude unlocks the fullness of life. It turns what we have into enough, and more. It turns denial into acceptance, chaos to order, confusion to clarity. It can turn a meal into a feast, a house into a home, a stranger into a friend. Without gratitude, one can turn any paradise into hell. Without gratitude, one will always walk away from the table still starving no matter what measure of abundance has been laid around. Without gratitude, every job is the worst job on earth. Every spouse is deficient. Every friend lets you down. Every home is on the wrong street. Every gift is the wrong size. Every novel is full of typos. Every mattress is uncomfortable. Every cup of coffee is too weak. Without gratitude, every choice one ever made will always feel like the wrong choice. Without gratitude, summers will always be too hot. Winters will always be too cold. Music will always be too loud. Movie will always suck. Parents will always disagree. Without gratitude, people who vote or worship differently, they'll always be monsters in your eyes. Without gratitude, you will always feel you were born into the wrong family. Without gratitude, the waitress will always be too slow. And you will always get the worst seat on the bus. Without gratitude, every driver on the road except you is an idiot. Without gratitude, life is a misery. The alchemy of all alchemies is gratitude.